Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer the data between the Samsung devices. Here it is Samsung A30 and Samsung M30. So for the first, just open the application you want to use. And now you have to choose from which phone you send the data. I picked this one, and you press search again, another search again. Now we have to wait for a few seconds because they have to connect. And as you can see, there is Android share, and of course this is our device, Samsung Galaxy A30. So I tap on it, and now I have to input the password. The password, of course, you can find here. And press connect. Now accept the request by pressing OK, and now you have choose data you want to transfer. So I click for the details, photos, and for example I take these two photos. So press start, OK, and that's it. And to show that it works, I go to the gallery, and as you can see, there's these two photos I sent from this device. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if I help you, please leave likes, subs, and of course comment below.